This is not a drill. At 8:43 a.m., a meltdown occurred at the Safe Passage radiation plant in Union County, New Mexico. The Union County Fire Department, along with other fire departments, has responded to the incident. Local authorities are currently evacuating residents in the affected area. Please listen to these evacuation guidelines. 1. Evacuation points. Locate to the nearest evacuation points in your area. 2. Essential supplies. You're going to need a battery-powered radio and extra batteries, food and water, transportation means, medicine and medical supplies, and clothes. Listens to instructions from the police, fire and rescue service, military personnel, social media updates, radios, channels 1 through 19 and 90. Government officials and EMS stay informed and follow orders promptly. Health advisory. Please listen. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms, call 911 or get to the nearest hospital. Vomiting, extreme fever, headache, nausea, fatigue. Stay safe and adhere to the guidance provided by the authorities. Your cooperation is vital for your safety and safety to others.